Hey, hello everyone. Today we are here in TryHackMe in the Advent of Cyber, which I believe is the event specifically for Christmas or the New Year. And I've seen that they have in this event they have a challenge called Splunk Basics. Did you see him? And I believe is the only one between these four, specifically for the blue team for the SOC because I believe the rest is red team based. Instead, this one is specifically for Splunk, and we can start work with it. I believe I need to start the machine. Alright, and alright, I need to wait 2 to 3 minutes for the machine, so we will see each other later. Okay, so alright, our Splunk environment is working. I've seen that the machine is medium level. I believe is something associated. We are going to see some logs associated with an attack happened, and that's it. I believe we can check this one. That's allowed. Okay, and okay, we can start trying to. Alright, we don't need this part. I've seen that there are some questions. Alright, we will need just this. Okay, so first of all, let's start here. The first question is we need to find the attacker IP associated with the compromising of the web server. So I'll just try this just to see all the logs. I believe I need to put all time. Alright. Okay, we have a lot of logs. So we need maybe to try start like reducing the amount of logs to try to understand what's going on. So we can say web traffic since it's compromising the web server. So I will just like try to search for web traffic. So we use the source type web traffic, and now there are more than 100 IP addresses involved. We need to find the attacker IP. Yeah. All right. So as we can see, there are more than 100, but the most are like 3 counts of log. A short amount of log. Instead, there is this one with that much. So I'll just try to see if I can see something weird on it. So in this way, searching for this IP address, we have like 7,000, almost 8,000 logs. Maybe we can try to see some path. Yeah, download file, password, redirect to evil site. All right, that must be the correct IP address. Let me try this and let's check, and that's correct. All right. Which day the peak traffic in the logs? All right. All right. To do this, we can run a very simple query using time chart. Span 1 day count. That can work, I guess. Alright, in this way we can see the amount of logs per day. And this question asked me which day was the peak. Alright, yeah, that's the peak. So 2025, 10, 12. Let's check if is it correct, but it should be. Alright. What is the count of IVJ user agent haven't found in the logs? Alright. So let me see. Wait. All right. Oh, we can open this one. I can see AVJ. So AVJ is a user agent. So we need to see the count of AVJ user agent. Oh, okay. It was saying that it was the user agent. So we can do, oops, stats count by user agent. All right, 993. Easy. Okay, correct. How many path transversal attend to set sensitive file? All right. For this one, I can do something like this. Okay, looking at the file path, this one download file, edge password, this is the only one that is actually trying to um, access sensitive file, because the rest is like shell command. This one is redirecting to this evil website, so I believe that's the correct number, 6558, and it is correct. And now we have the last question, which is how many bytes were transferred to the C2 server IP address from the compromised web server? Okay, now I need to switch to, wait, let me go back to index, and source type are web traffic and firewall logs. He asked me to look at firewall logs. I can add this one. So I need to see how many bytes were transferred. So looking at action, I can see there's denied, dropped, and allowed. Since I need to see how many bytes were actually transferred, I can add to my query the action allowed. So in this way I have 285 events. With only one destination, which is 198.51. Yeah, that's correct. All right. And as a source IP, we have this one with multiple ports. Okay, I can see byte transferred. Here is the top value, but there are more than 100 logs. But he said to the C2 server IP. So looking at reason, I can also, oh, it doesn't change that much, right? Okay, so since I think I can run a very simple query, since like there is only this destination IP and this source IP. So basically this is all that I need. I just need to sum all of these datas and I should have the result for this question, because destination port is this. So I can run a simple query which is stats sum byte is byte transferred. Yes, I can run this one and try to see. Yes, I can also do something like that. Total by source IP, just to make sure, but it should give me the same result. So yes, and the total is this one. Wait, I didn't copy it, so I can do this, and that's the correct answer. All right, I think that's it. Right, yeah, that's not a question. I can check this one, and we did it. It was very simple. It was very simple. But that's alright. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching it, and see you at the next one.